Expressing affection, such as holding hands, is a normal and healthy part of a relationship, often starting around the third outing. When initiating physical contact, it is crucial to pay close attention to your partner's nonverbal cues and be understanding if they pull away or seem uncomfortable. Never pressure them, as this can lead to awkwardness or even a breakup. If your partner is hesitant, stop immediately. Do not seem offended and try again on a different day, maintaining open communication by asking if something is wrong. As the relationship progresses and comfort levels increase, you can move toward intertwining fingers, followed by hugs, more touching, and possibly kissing. But always remember to proceed at a comfortable pace for both parties, keeping in mind that holding hands is only one aspect of a healthy relationship.